The third edition of the Africa Health Tech Summit is taking place in Kigali, Rwanda. It has brought together ministers of health and ICT, national public health institutes, regulators, leading tech innovators, healthcare professionals, development partners, investors, and academia to explore how emerging technologies can be harnessed to build resilience and improve health systems and individual well-being across African communities. Now, the summit is driven by the theme, Innovating for Community Health, Unleashing the Power of AI. The summit will focus on critical questions such as realizing the potential of innovations like artificial intelligence, cloud, the Internet of Things, robotics, drones, blockchain, and more to tackle Africa's most pressing health challenges.
Life starts at maternity and ends at symmetry. From maternity to the symmetry, we want to have a system that can help us when a child is coming in this world to connect this child with education system, social protection system, with housing, with all other systems that can help this child to grow and to strive. We can also connect that system with the death notification system.
Benefit of Health Tech Summit here today is actually a vital platform for all of us stakeholders across Africa to exchange innovative ideas, because we believe that the best idea, the driver of what will happen tomorrow, may come from anywhere, any part of the world.
In the land of health tech innovation, in the land of drone zipline experiences, this summit will be addressing critical questions like strategies and solutions to strengthen health infrastructure, enhance disease prevention and surveillance, improve supply chains efficiencies, expand access to diagnostic and care, build health worker capacity, and drive progress.
Now, more than 10,000 residents of Kigonga in Kuria East Sub-County, Migori,